how you can reset your Haier washing machine. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, make sure your washing machine is turned off and unplugged from the wall. Then, wait for a few minutes so the machine can reset its power and electronics. After that, plug the machine back into the power socket. Now, turn the valve to let water flow back into the machine and switch the machine on again. Once the power is back and water is flowing, pick any quick washing program and start the machine. This helps check if the reset worked and the machine runs fine again. So if the machine still shows an error or doesn't work right, try to rebalance the clothes inside the drum. Move them around so the machine isn't leaning to one side. Then, run it again. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Haier washing machine.